My name is Larry Jordan. I want to thank you so much for joining us today on this presentation, this webinar on reading videoscopes and learning color correction. And I'm really glad you're joining us today. Welcome to this Power Up webinar, Color Correction Using Videoscopes. The goals for our seminar today is that I want to define key color correction terms, explain how to read videoscopes, show how to select the right color correction filter, present a series of settings for color correction, explain how to keep yourself color safe and yourself employed because you're not violating technical standards, and show you step by step how to color correct. And then finally, we'll spend time answering questions in the live chat. Let's start with some definitions, specifically color correction. To me, color correction is the process of adjusting the contrast or the colors in a clip to either fix mistakes or to create an effect based upon color or contrast. Generally, color correction is clip-based, and the entire image of the clip is adjusted by the same amount. Think of a clip that comes in a little bit too orange or too yellow or too blue. Color correction fixes problems. Color grading is the process of adjusting the contrast or colors in all the clips of an entire project to give it a certain look. Often, inside a color grading process, we'll adjust different portions of the image differently. For instance, darken the sky or lighten some facial highlights. What we're going to talk about today is the technique of using scopes to analyze our images and improve or fix color problems. We won't have the time right now to talk about color grading. We'll save that for the future. There's two types of color correction. First is a primary color correction, and this is a contrast or color adjustment that affects the entire image of the entire clip, for example, removing a blue color cast.